Welcome to the channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating life of Jeff Goldblum, a man who seems to age in reverse. Even in his 70s, Jeff remains as lively, energetic, and quirky as ever, making him a beloved figure in Hollywood. From his legendary roles in Jurassic Park and The Fly to his resurgence in pop culture, Jeff Goldblum continues to captivate audiences of all ages with his youthful charm. But what's the secret to his seemingly timeless vitality? Is it his unique outlook on life, his sense of humor, or his lifestyle choices? In this video, we'll dive into Jeff's habits, mindset, and routines that have helped him stay youthful and full of energy for so long. Whether it's his diet, exercise routine, or mental attitude, stick around to discover how Jeff continues to defy the odds and keep his youthful glow. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you're enjoying the video, and share your thoughts with a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. A balanced diet, fueling the Goldblum glow. When it comes to longevity, diet plays a big role, and Jeff Goldblum is no stranger to mindful eating. He maintains a balanced and nutritious diet, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. Jeff avoids extreme or trendy diets, preferring a relaxed yet conscious approach to his meals. This approach has helped him stay fit and energetic. While Jeff enjoys healthy eating, he doesn't shy away from the occasional indulgence. His meals typically include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, providing his body with essential nutrients. Interestingly, Jeff gravitates toward a mostly plant-based diet. Although not strictly vegetarian or vegan, he favors foods like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. One of his favorite foods is avocado, which is rich in healthy fats and great for keeping skin glowing. Fitness, staying active and playful. One of the most striking things about Jeff Goldblum is how energetic he is. Whether on screen or in everyday life, he's always moving with grace. His fitness routine is far from typical. Instead of intense cardio or heavy lifting, Jeff focuses on activities that keep him agile, flexible, and strong without overexertion. Yoga is a key part of his routine, helping him maintain flexibility and balance. Jeff also enjoys dancing, which keeps him light on his feet and is great for both cardio and brain health. He complements this with swimming, a low-impact exercise that's great for overall strength and cardiovascular health. Above all, Jeff believes in staying active throughout the day by walking, stretching, or simply staying on his feet. Skincare and grooming. Jeff Goldblum's youthful appearance isn't just about genetics. It's also about his commitment to skincare. He takes a minimalist approach, focusing on hydration and sun protection. Jeff has openly shared his love for high-quality skincare products, particularly moisturizers and sunscreens, which help protect his skin from aging and sun damage. Sleep and recovery. A big part of Jeff's health routine is prioritizing rest. He understands that getting enough sleep is crucial for physical recovery and mental clarity. He sticks to a consistent sleep schedule, aiming for around 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. This helps him stay energized and focused despite his busy schedule. Mindfulness and mental health. Beyond physical health, Jeff Goldblum places a strong emphasis on mental well-being. He practices mindfulness and meditation, which help him manage stress and stay centered. Jeff's lighthearted attitude and ability to find humor in everyday situations play a big role in his youthful outlook. This laid-back approach to life helps him handle stress effectively, which is essential for aging gracefully. Jeff Goldblum's youthful energy and timeless charm stem from his holistic approach to life. His secret to longevity isn't about following rigid rules but embracing balance, joy, and mindfulness. Jeff shows us that the key to aging gracefully lies not in avoiding the process but in welcoming it with curiosity, humor, and a love for life.